how to stop being insecure in your relationship. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Carmont and I'm your relationship expert. In today's video, I will tell you exactly how to stop being insecure in your relationship. How to stop having the pain to be scared to lose the person you love the most. How to stop putting your ex or your boyfriend or your girlfriend on a pedestal. This is something very important. But before to share with you my tips, I want to make sure that you will smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can receive all of our videos directly in your inbox. If you feel insecure in your relationship, trust me, it's normal. Everyone has been through this process, even myself. I was always scared to lose that person, always scared to not be enough for her. I was always needy and codependent. This is where I've been through, and I can guarantee you that we can change this process together. So what are the advice I can share with you? First of all, we are not insecure for no reason. There is always a reason for how we feel. And the first reason will be your past relationship, your past experience. Basically, if someone cheated on you, you will always be scared that your new partner will cheat on you. That's normal. That's how the brain works. So we can feel insecure for all the past relationship that we had. It is something that you need to consider. Ask yourself, why am I so insecure? The reason number one is, as I said, because of our past relationship. The reason number two will be for the life experience that we had. For example, if your parents didn't give you some love, you will miss something in your process of being confident. If the society was making fun of you because you were a little bit overweight when you were in college, high school, unfortunately, these are some wounds that stay in your life, right? And we need to change this. We need to heal your wounds if we want to have results. So step number one to heal, it's an exercise that I give to all of the people I coach. I want you to bring a paper and a pen, and I want you to jot what can you bring on the table when you're in a relationship. What can you bring to your partner? And you will start seeing that you're not a bad partner. You will start seeing that everyone would like to be with someone like you, right? Because you can respect your partner, because you can give love, you can give attention, you can make fun, everything that is very important. I want you to jot this on a paper. So in order to heal from your past experience, past relationship, it will be very important for you to know what kind of partner are you. Tip number two, if you want to make sure that you will heal from insecurity, you have to forgive yourself. I have coached so many people who told me, Alex, I feel stupid. I feel so bad. I have done so many mistakes. If we stay focused on the past, nothing will change. But if we start to forgive ourselves and tell ourselves, okay, I made this mistake. I was not the best version of myself, but today I am. This is really important because you will start to value your relationship. You will start to be positive, which is something very important. So, how to stop being insecure? First of all, we have to heal. The second thing that I want to share with you is the power of habits. If you can have your habits and making sure that you go to the gym, you do some yoga, some meditation, you journal, you just ask your friend to do new activities every week. This will bring some positive energy in your life. So instead of being focused on the negativity, you will only be focused on the positive actions. Everything you need to do right now is to get some habits every morning and every night. These are the most two critical moments because that's the moment when we are by ourselves. We are lonely, we feel lonely, and then we do mistakes. No, every morning, every night, you need to have your routine with the power of new habits, something very important. In order to not be insecure, something that will blow your mind, but it's maybe the most powerful exercise that I share with the people I coach. We always focus on what we want. So you will ask yourself, what do I want in my relationship? So instead of being focused on the negativity, we will be focused on what do I want to bring to my what do I want my partner to bring in my relationship? Very important. But there is also this little question I want to ask you. What will you never accept anymore in a relationship? That way you will not be insecure anymore because you know what you want and the boundaries. You know what you should never accept again. And this gives you some tools, power, and vision to be able to, first of all, get someone that you truly love to be in a relationship and for you to be truly yourself. What happened in this case? You will be the one that will get a lot of results. You will be the one that will get a lot of results. You will be happy, you will be in a steady relationship, and you will have your partner that will love you for who you are and not what you give. I know it's not that easy to stop being insecure and you need support. This is why I attached in the description box right below a long and special video about emotions, codependency, and how you can today stop being insecure. This is something we can do right now. So please, it's time for you to smash the like button, to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and click in the description box below. Watch this video and take control of your love life. If you want to go further, just come on our website, withmyexagain.com. You have tons of articles. We tackle every subject about love. And this is why we want to provide you good content. So you can also book a private and confidential coaching session with us. Coach Abby, Coach Natalie, Coach Priyanka, Coach Adrian, or myself. We are a team that dedicated our life to you. And to be honest, I know how it is painful to be insecure, but I also know how amazing it is to be confident in a relationship. I will see you soon. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Take care, guys.